Hello friends, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope people are beautiful and doing very well. Today I am showing you the beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new style of haircuts and hair dye colors ideas. Pixie short haircuts. I shall design the gorgeous, fabulous and trending. Guys, I am showing you the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. Friend, today video has very stylish USA Russian girls, spin girls haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I must you to watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media account, share it with your family members so that can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friend, will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut. Save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will get the notification all of my videos and you will never miss any collection, any videos of my channel. Don't forget, back in the comment section, your positive feedback encourage and motivate me for more useful video, the more useful content for you. And guys, I have uploaded with different haircuts design to you, happy videos of new haircuts and hairstyle ideas, amazing, very stylish short bob haircuts ideas. If you are a business woman or as a housewife, this haircut you look very beautiful. I hope you enjoy my videos. Today I will daily post a video like these different short haircuts and hairstyle. Pick hair, find lone pixie over that is beautiful hairstyle. I shall be very sharing my videos today. Super styling bob haircuts today you will see in the video. Solid ideas. You have a haircuts or hairstyle. You are here by showing this picture. You can get ideas for your from beautiful learning your areas. You. So friend, thanks you. Thanks for watching my videos.